the most important lesson that we have learned from coronavirus is the world still is a tribal world. Despite the fact that we have come a long way in history, we behaved in front of a global crisis not in a unified way. We went back to our own tribes trying to protect each tribe. And we even had trouble with each other. That's not the way common enemy should be fought. It should be a common strategy, common goals, so that we can work together and make sure that we handle it well as a world. And next thing I would like to mention about the coronavirus, it has provided us a tremendous opportunity to start all over again. Because the world that we are coming from was not a world that we loved. We were very afraid of that world because it's taking us to a disaster. We are about to reach the cliff, and climate change was making it sure that the world come to an end very soon. At least it would not be livable for human being. That's what the whole world was talking about. And then the question of wealth concentration. A very, very unusual situation of all the wealth going to a few hands. Mass of the people don't have any access to the wealth. So that's not a world that we would love to live in, and we didn't like that world. And then comes the massive unemployment through artificial intelligence coming into the picture, and people are moved out of the jobs, and we are thinking about massive, and a number of people will be out of job. So that's not the world we would like to go back to. So no going back. And the coronavirus has done us a wonderful service. It made the world to collapse. We didn't have to do anything. So now our job is to rework, to make sure we build a new world. We don't go back to the old world. It's not a recovery process. It's a rebuilding process. No going back. Rebuild it anew. Don't follow the old path. Build new path. Old path will take us to the same disaster. We don't want to follow that. So this is the time to build new paths. And that's where social business will play a very important role. A new kind of business to solve human problems rather than make money for the owners. It's a zero personal profit business. And we have been doing that. And this is a way to revive it, redo it, and create a world where the social consciousness, the environmental consciousness will be key in all our decision making. It will be an economy, it will be a society based on social consciousness and based on environmental consciousness. Not a single dollar will be spent which doesn't have social consciousness behind it, which doesn't have environmental consciousness behind it. That's the world we want to build. No going back. Thank you.